Hello everyone, I'm going to be, this is Janice from Cricutology.blogspot.com, and today I'm going to be making, actually this card. This was another one I made. This is actually my third attempt at doing a video of this card. There's a few things involved, and one is the technique on how to make this card. Okay, it's called a multi-panel card, and I learned it from Dawn Griffith on Dawn5377 on YouTube. And so I'm going to show you how I made the card portion of it and how I put the panels together, and then I want to show you this technique, resist technique, which I'll show on a separate video. So this will be part one of part two of 2 parts. Okay, so for the card you're going to need your paper trimmer and a 4.5 by 11 piece of cardstock. This particular color comes from the Butterfly Wings Recollections paper. And what we're going to do is we're going to line it up with the 1-inch mark and make a cut from one. I went too far. I messed it up. Alrighty then. Let's get another piece of paper. Let me try this again. I am not giving up. No, I'm not. Okay, so we're cutting this in half. This is 8.5 by 11. Cutting it at 4 1/4. Line it up at 1 inch. Move the blade to the 1-inch mark. Cut from 1 inch to 6 1/2. Flip it over and do the same thing. 1 inch to 6 1/2. We're going to move this aside. Use the Martha Stewart scoreboard. And you could use your paper trimmer to do your score marks, but I do find it easier to use the Martha Stewart scoreboard. Okay, so what we need to do is create a score mark at the 1-inch mark that's going to only be on the outsides. This first one is hard. It's going to be on the outsides of the cut marks. Okay, and that's why I use this ruler to help me find the mark on this, on the other side. And then we're going to do it again at the 2-inch mark. And just go to the cut, and that's it. Just go to the cut. The next one that you do is at 6 1/2, the same way that we did before, only let's see, so here and here. Oops, that's not right. Okay, there it is. Then there's one more score mark, and that is at the 5 1/2 inch mark. That one goes right here in between the 2 cut lines. Okay, and that's it. That's all the scoring that you do. Make sure it's a good. Okay, then put this away. Get my bone folder, and what we're gonna do is start folding these, and folding the score marks, and it'll start taking shape. Using the bone folder really helps to get these nice tight creases. Okay, and so there's the base of our card. Really cool. This is a really cool card. Okay, so then you need 2 pieces of cardstock, 2 strips from pattern paper that are 3/4 of an inch by 4 1/4. And I'm going to open this up just so we can attach these panels, 1 on each side. And then this one's also 3/4 of an inch, but it's only 4 inches. Okay. And I just used scraps. Everything that I'm using, minus the card base, is a scrap piece. Some more whites. Okay, then this middle piece here, I have this yellow piece right here is 2 inches wide by 4 3/8 this way, and that fits right there. Okay, and this is the piece that we're going to do the, what do you call it? The resist technique. I'll show you again on this one what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I got that on the next video. I will show you how I dressed up this dragonfly. And I used the Adirondack acrylic paint dabber in Snowcat. This comes in a 3-pack at Michael's. And I'm using this polka dot stamp that I got at Michael's in the dollar bin. And I love these dabbers. I am hooked real bad. And I'm just going to try to line that up in there. Ooh, that was not good. That's okay. It didn't really... I already had paint on this, which means I'm going to, when I wash this, I'm going to be washing it in the sink because it dried on there. It really is a good idea to clean your stamps right away. Okay, so this side came out a little bit better. That's okay. I'm just going to put that together. I'm going to use my Tombow Mono Aqua. And I cut this dragonfly from Gypsy Wanderings at 3 inches. And all my papers were scraps. The green and the orange is definitely not recollections. The Coordinations, which if you don't know, cuts really well in the Cricut. Okay.
Go to your room. Go to your room.
So there's that.
Now.
Thanks for watching. Bye.